Put your hands behind
I
your back.
am not resisting. Stop! Stop, please
Put your
stop!
hands behind your back!
Stop! Stop! I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything! Stop it! Stop! I haven't done
McDonald's,
anything!
after a disruptive customer refused to leave the property.
Sir, in 6 months.
Let's step outside.
Hold on. In
Let's
6
step outside.
months. In 6
There are private-
months.
there-
In 6
ma'am.
months, I have never
Outside.
been kicked out of
Outside.
any McDonald's.
Let's
Why
go.
are you
Outside.
doing this? Why
Come
are
on,
you
let's go
doing-
outside.
Why are you doing
Let's
the
go
white
outside.
man's bidding?
Let's
Why
go
are you
outside.
doing the white
Let's
man's
go outside.
bidding? Why are you doing the white
Why?
man's
Come on.
bidding?
And just
Let's
like
go.
that,
Huh?
what started as a simple request to leave a McDonald's is already turning into something much bigger. Notice the warning signs here. The employee is asking for compliance, and the customer is turning the interaction into a personal confrontation. The problem? Once emotions replace cooperation, things can escalate incredibly fast. The real question is, was this situation still fixable
Doing
at
the
this
white
point?
man's
Come
bidding.
on, let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Huh? Gatekeeper?
Let's
Black
go.
gatekeeper?
Let's go.
Why are you doing
Let's
the white
go.
man's
I
bidding?
need your ID,
Why are
ma'am.
you doing the... Tell him, why are you doing the white man's bidding? Why are you doing the white man's bidding?
Ma'am.
Why are you a
Ma'am,
gatekeeper?
calm down. Let me see your ID.
No, that is not going to be the
Yes,
first thing
let me
to
see
do.
your ID. You are not going to leave right now.
Okay. You're
You are
not
not
going to
gonna
put your f***ing hands on me. You're not going to put your f***ing hands on me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're not going
Stop
to
resisting.
put your hands.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
am not resisting. Stop
Yes,
it.
put your hands behind
I
your
am
back.
not resisting. Stop. Stop. Please
Put your
stop.
hands behind your
Stop.
back.
Stop. Stop. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. Stop it. Stop. I haven't done anything.
94, can I get
I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. I haven't done
Put your hands behind your
Why
back.
are you doing this?
Put your hands behind your back.
I
Drop your backpack.
I haven't done anything.
Drop your backpack and put your hands behind your back.
I haven't done anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I haven't
Let
done
go.
anything.
Let go.
I'm innocent. I haven't done anything. Stop. I need my glasses.
Let go.
I haven't done
Let
anything.
go. Let
I'm
go.
a 25-year
Stop
Florida
resisting.
resident.
Stop resisting.
I have a son at the University of Florida. I am
That's
not a homeless person. Do not treat
I don't
me.
care.
Stop.
I don't care.
Leave
Let
me.
go.
Please
This is a critical
don't.
moment. The officer is now explaining exactly why the arrest is happening. Legally, refusing to identify yourself during certain law enforcement encounters and refusing to leave private property after being lawfully trespassed can create entirely new legal problems. What's interesting is that she's finally offering her ID, but sometimes timing matters. And in law enforcement, too late can be a very expensive
Let
fix.
go.
Please don't
Let go.
do this.
Let go. You're
I
going to
am a
jail.
mother. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. Stop! 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 I have done nothing wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hand behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
Stop! I haven't done anything good.
Keep them behind your back.
You're hurting me. Stop!
Stay seated.
Stop!
Stay seated. Do not move. Stay seated.
Please, I haven't done anything wrong. My son graduates from
That's
the
great. I don't care. You failed to identify yourself. You failed to leave after being asked.
My son graduates from the University of Florida next month. Please, sir, stop. You don't need to do this. Why are you doing this? Please don't.
You have to listen to the officer.
I will give you my ID.
You failed to give it the
Please
first 3 times I
don't.
asked.
You
You're,
didn't-
no,
Please.
that's too late for that.
Please.
We're not doing that. I asked her 3 times.
I need my glasses.
Half of them are right here.
Why did you screw in my glasses? I can't see.
Stand up. Stand up.
I can't see without my glasses. I need my laptop.
You need to walk.
I need my laptop! I need my laptop! Please! Please get my laptop!
Relax.
Please get my laptop!
Go
Walk.
get your stuff.
Please get my laptop! My dog is in the car! Please!
Come here. We got to search.
Please stop!
Do you have anything on your person?
I don't!
All right.
Please stop!
is your buckle for your fanny pack.
Woody, please stop. Please stop.
All right.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Relax.
I didn't do
Just
anything
relax.
wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Did you loosen them?
Relax.
Now we're
so
finally
very-
hearing the other side of the story. According to the manager, this wasn't just about sitting in a restaurant. He's describing repeated warnings, verbal insults, and refusal to leave the property. Whether you agree with him or not, this is the type of testimony prosecutors love because it helps establish a timeline. And timelines often become the backbone of a criminal case.
Relax.
Don't so very tight. Please loosen.
They're not tight. I can fit look, there's a whole finger in there.
No, it's not tight.
Alright, let's put it on the car.
No, it's very tight, please. My dog! My dog, sir! My dog! What are you gonna do with my dog?
SPCA, I don't know.
Why
in
are
there.
In the car.
why
Sit
are
down.
you doing
You're going to
this?
jail.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong! I need my
Watch your foot.
backpack!
I heard you say you want to press charges.
Yes.
She failed to leave as trespassing. She also failed to identify herself. So can you just tell me what happened before I got here?
Yeah, no problem. So I came out the lobby. There was her sitting over there, and then another guy that was sitting over there that was, I guess he was homeless or something like that. And then there was a family over here. So I do our
Listen to
rounds
this
every 30.
carefully. The manager admits he wanted to react emotionally, but chose not to. That's actually one of the most underrated moments in the entire video. Why? Because self-control is often invisible. Nobody notices the argument you didn't start, the insult you didn't return, or the confrontation you walked away from. But those decisions can completely change how a situation
So
ends.
I do our rounds. Every 30 minutes we have to do our rounds. Let the customers, hey, good morning. You have a 30-minute time frame while consuming food. And then, you have to be off the property. This is a 30-minute time frame. She didn't even consume any food. She was just sitting here using the Wi-Fi. And so she was like, who are you? The white gatekeeper? Ma'am, this is not even a confrontational thing right now.
Right.
I'm just letting you know the rules is 30 minutes. Well, I travel the world and blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, congratulations that you travel the world. I don't need to know all that. I just need you to know that there's a 30-minute time frame and that's it. That's all I'm coming here to do. And then that's when she's got irate. She started calling me names. Ma'am, I don't have time for that. Oh, you hate your mother. Oh, you need to go get some tea and all this. I'm like,
What names was she calling you?
she called me a black and then she called me a black gay dude. Then she said, she just kept saying, hateful things,
Okay.
Oh, you're here to control the white people. And ma'am, she's like, oh, you need to be in jail somewhere where all the black people is. You know where they want you. I'm like, ma'am, I don't care about all that. I have a degree. I just applied for law school. I'm just waiting for them to say,
Oh, congrats.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my acceptance letter. That's it.
Congrats.
So, all that unnecessary stuff, ma'am, I can't engage in that. There's
Notice what's
ethical things
happening
that
now. Rachel is trying to explain who she is, her education, her career, her family, her life experiences. But here's the harsh reality. Once someone is in handcuffs, officers aren't usually deciding the situation based on social status or accomplishments. They're focused on what happened in the moments leading up to the arrest. Fair or unfair. That's how these encounters are typically
engage in
evaluated.
that. There's ethical things that I have to, maintain.
Absolutely.
I can't do that. So it's like the things that you're saying is very hateful, and I really want to react, but in the back of my head, I'm thinking like, you're just applying for law school, so there's certain standards that you have to
Exactly.
know about things. So then I just called 911 to say, can you guys just come and remove the lady? And by the time you got here, she was already back here trying to record me, and I'm like, ma'am, stop recording me. You don't have permission to record me. Stop recording me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm recording you. And that's what happened.
Okay. I just see. Are you a manager?
Yes, I am.
I just need to get your quick ID.
Okay, no problem. Let me go get my
And
driver's
then I'll have you on your way.
license. Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
So there's another statute that I'm thinking about right now.
Okay.
It's disorderly conduct in a licensed establishment.
Okay, okay.
Clearly she's acting disorderly in a licensed establishment.
Exactly.
Like I said, I know you want to press charges for trespassing. Would you also be okay with the disorderly conduct?
Yes,
Okay,
I'll be fine
perfect.
with that. Yes, that's not a
Perfect.
problem at all.
Can I have some water, sir? Oh my god! Oh my god! Ma'am! Can I get some water, please? dying. I need some water.
Take a deep breath.
My mouth is seriously parched and my dog is in there.
Help you for this one, okay? Take a deep breath, relax. Now your park circuits on the supervisor, okay? I obviously got called out because there was some force used against you. So I need to make sure you're not hurt. Okay?
I am hurt.
Right now you're just thirsty, or what hurts?
No,
And here's where the story officially leaves the parking lot and enters the courtroom. Disorderly conduct, trespassing, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer are not minor allegations. What began as a disagreement over restaurant policy ended with criminal charges that could follow someone for years. That's the takeaway here. Public confrontations rarely stay about the original problem. The moment emotions take control, the consequences start writing their own story.
No, they put these super tight on here. He broke my glasses. He threw me to the ground. I have never been kicked out of a McDonald's, and I've traveled this country 6 months. I'm a journalist. I'm not a nobody. I lived in Florida for 25 years. I have 2 sons at the University of Florida. I am not a homeless person. I am not somebody to be pushed around. I have a master's degree. I'm educated. I don't know why you're doing this to me.
Well, I didn't do it. I just got here, so I'm just making sure everything's...
These are super tight and they're really constricting.
All right, well, I guess the issue was...
Why did he have to throw me down and break my glasses? Is my phone also broken?
I don't know. I'll look into all that. I have to review everything. We have body cameras on throughout the entire counter. So everything that happened, you see.
He broke my glasses. There was no need to get that kind of aggressive with me. I'm a 50-year-old woman. I'm 5'3". I'm not dangerous. I don't own firearms. I was a victim of domestic violence in this state. My ex-husband spent 6 months in the Sarasota County Jail for smashing his wife into his third wife's face, and I was the second wife. You don't need to do this to a woman whose mother was murdered also. You don't need to do this to women.
Keep your hands together like you're praying, and they're real loose, okay?
They're not. They're driving into my wrist. Please. Can you please give me water, please? Just give me a drink of water, please. You could have loosened them up. I am not a threat. I don't own firearms, nothing. You did this on purpose because you're a sadist. You like to brutalize women and black people. This is the stupidest thing you've ever fucking done. Like, it's so useless. It's so useless to be so fascist. It really is. It's fascist as Florida, man. It's so bad here. It's so bad. Like, honestly, there was no need to harass me. There wasn't a need for that guy to harass me, and there wasn't a need for you to harass me. You said to your boss you were going to get me water. Why did you lie to your boss?